So when adding things to my Blackboard, I usually start with um, going to whatever folder or module that I've created for that unit. And then I go to that folder, wherever it is, and I typically create an item. So I go to build content and then click item. I've already started the item that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just go ahead and click the edit button on that item. So far, I have put down the title of the assignment and the directions, where it says 1, read chapters 1 and 2, pages 1 through 19 in the digital book. I added in a picture to kind of help my students remember how to get there. And where it says complete the questions. Now, underneath those questions, there are a couple of different things that you can do. Today, I'm going to show you how to add in an image to kind of show the students what the assignment would look like. So you're going to go to the Insert, Edit Image button, and then this is going to pop up. So there are two ways that you can find an image. Either you can find an image and copy the image location and paste it here, or you can pull in an image that you've saved to your computer, and that's what I'm going to do. So I click Browse. I'm going to find the picture that I saved yesterday. Here it is. I'm going to open it. Because it is a picture of a handout, usually it's best to put a border around that so that students can see that it's meant to be a handout. So I'm going to go to Appearance, and I'm going to add a 1-point border. And then I will click Insert, click OK. And now I have a picture of my assignment. So in order to resize, you're going to need to actually right-click to get the little boxes to appear right here. And so now I have a picture of the questions underneath number 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add in a link to the assignment. So I'm going to insert a file, going to browse my computer, find the file that I downloaded, and I'm going to give this file a name that students will easily recognize. I'm going to right-click here to access the worksheet. Click Submit. Submit again. I'm going to make this text a little bit bigger. And then underneath the worksheet, I'm going to add in a video that I've previously recorded. So I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go to my channel because that's where I'm uploading things to. And I'm going to find this video. And the way I'm going to add it is I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go to Mashups, click YouTube video. Going to search for the YouTube video using that URL I copied. I'm just going to paste it in. Click Go. Select the video. And I'm going to name it something that I think will be catchy for my students. So I'll write hints and tips. I'm going to embed this video because I want them to be able to play it right in Blackboard if they choose to do so. Click Submit. And there we go. So remember, it says complete the questions using wordcentral.com for the vocabulary. I'm going to add in a link to Word Central. Going to just copy and paste this into Blackboard. I'm going to select the text, add a link, paste the link path. So just paste that URL right there. I'm going to open it in a new window because if you don't, then it won't work very well. Always open in a new window. Click Insert. And then I'm also going to, just to help students out, I'm going to add in a picture link to Word Central. So I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to go to Word Central logo, go to Images. I'm going to use this one because it doesn't have a background. Now, to add in an image from a search engine or a website, you're going to right-click, go to Copy Image Address, head back to Blackboard, then you're going to follow these steps. Don't forget to use wordcentral.com for your vocabulary. I'm going to blow that up too, make it a little bit easier to see and read. Add this link in, copy, oops. Open a new window, insert. All right, now I'm going to add in my image. So I'm going to go to add or insert an image. I'm going to go back to that picture, copy image address, paste it, click in this white space so it gives it a chance to show up, and then you're going to click the insert button. Click OK. I'm going to resize this. I want it to fit right under these words here. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to right click on it again, and I'm going to actually add a link to the picture as well. So I'm going to go back to Word Central, copy this again. Make sure it opens in a new window and insert. And there we go. Once I click submit, then my item will be there. I need to make it available. Permit users to use this. Go. Okay. So now I have chapters 1 and 2 questions. I have the directions. I have the first thing where it says to read chapters 1 and 2. I remind students using this picture how to find chapters 1 and 2. The second part is complete the questions using wordcentral.com for the vocabulary. I have a picture of the worksheet so they know what it looks like. I have a link to open a PDF copy of the worksheet so that they can look at it if they need to. I have a link to the video, and if they want to, they can watch it right in the browser in Blackboard, or if they want to blow it up and make it bigger, they can click the share button and then click those 3 dots to open it in a new window. And then on the bottom, I have a reminder, don't forget to use wordcentral.com for your vocabulary, and I can click here or here, and it will take me right to wordcentral.com for the vocabulary. And creating an activity for your students in Blackboard and pre-recording the instruction is just that easy.